y'all, welcome to the Old Davie School. I'm Lisa and this is Pioneer Cooking with Lisa. Today we're going to make sweet potato bake. Pioneers cooking on the frontier had their beautiful fruits and vegetables growing right on their farm. One of the chores for the children was to gather those beautiful fruits and vegetables, get fresh eggs and fresh milk for the night's dinner. In the 1920s, you could go down to the general store and get canned goods and some staples like flour and sugar. A lot different from nowadays, where we can get everything we need in order to prepare a nice dinner for our family right at our local grocery store. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my family's favorite recipes, sweet potato bake. It comes from Miss Frances Webinetz Lloyd. She was born in 1927 and attended elementary school here at the Old Davie School. She was a beloved volunteer and sharp as a tack, always willing to share a story of her days growing up here in Davie. And girl, could she cook! Okay, so the recipe calls for 3 cups of sweet potatoes. Now I've already cooked mine so they're nice and soft, and I am going to use my electric blender. But if you lived here in the pioneer days, you know there was no electricity in town. You may have had to use your wooden potato mashers, or even a handheld egg beater. I think today I'm going to stick with my electric mixer. Now that we've got our beautiful brown sugar mixture spread around our sweet potatoes, what about adding some nuts? Or my granddaughter Gina Bella loves it when I put marshmallows on top. All right, looks like we're ready for the oven. Again, at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Our sweet potato bake is all done and it smells wonderful. Let's have a taste. Nice, fluffy. Thank you, Miss Frances, for such a beautiful, delicious dish. Through all the stages of Davie's growth, people have always enjoyed food. Recipes have been shared from the very beginning through generations. This particular recipe is found on page 48 of our Generations of Home Cooking cookbook. This cookbook is available at the Old Davie School souvenir shop, or you can purchase it online. Would you have enjoyed harvesting those fruits and vegetables from the family farm for every meal? What about the electric mixer? Would you use the electric mixer, or would you prefer the wooden potato mashers, or maybe even the handheld egg beater? Do you have a family recipe that's been passed down through generations? Well guys, I hope you enjoy your sweet potato bake. If you're going to try this, send us a picture on Facebook. We'd like to see what you made. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye now.